Next we'll see the definition of matter. Matter has mass and they occupy in space. In other words, we can say they have both mass and volume. Next we'll see the history of matter. Early Indian philosopher classified matter in the form of 5 basic elements. That is the Panchatattva: air, earth, fire, sky and water. According to them, everything that is living or non-living was made up of these 5 basic elements. Modern day scientists have evolved 2 types of classification of matter based on their physical properties and chemical nature. Next, characteristic of particles. There are 4 points. First point is particles of matter have space between them. Already we have seen that here there is a matter. There will be a particles in that because the matter is made by this particle. So particles are here, the particles are having the space between them. So it means that all the matter is made by particles. So particles are occupied, particles are having the space between them. So when we make tea or coffee or nimbu pani, particles of one type of matter get into the space between the particles of another. That is, if you are taking 1 cup of tea, in that with the water molecules and powder, that is a tea powder particles are there. So here the tea powder particles are get into the space between the water molecule. Same thing in the nimbu pani, that is a lemon juice, or else what we are doing, that is a coffee or anything. So this is a particles of matter having space between them. Next we'll see second point, particles of matter are continuously moving. See here, the particles of matter are continuously moving, means always their particles are moving, they are mobile in their nature, so they are moving, but the movement or the vibration is more in the gaseous or gas compared to the liquid, and it is very less in the solid, but still the solid particles are moving, all are moving, but the more vibration we can see, the movement or vibration, just it is not moving fastly, just it is vibrating, that is a movement. So vibration is more in gas. Next point is particles of matter attract each other. Particles of matter attract each other. Here I have drawn 2 neon atoms, so it is forming the neon molecules. So when it is forming neon molecules, both the neon atoms are attracting each other. So this point is very important while we are studying the formation of molecules. It is not only in the neon, in all atoms, in all particles or formation of matter, it is very important because all are attracting each other. Next point is matter is made up of particles. Already we have studied that matter is made up of particles because that particle is very, very tiny or minute one, very small it is. So if you are going to see one matter, we can see number of particles in that, millions of particles we can see. Particles of matters are very small, they are small beyond our imagination. So that we have completed the physical characteristic of the matter. Next we will study in next class.